Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are understanding how to create variants in Althea Suite. So click on Products and Items to navigate to the Item Manager. Now click on the New button. I would now specify the name of the product which you are now trying to create variants for. Let us name it as Kitchen Cabinet. The kitchen cabinet would then be selected by the category, so I'll select cabinet as category here. So before starting off the variant creation, I would ensure that all my user fields are created with the respective values. So I can just head over to the bottom of the screen where I can find all of my user fields under item fields. I could create them by clicking on item fields in new. So in my case, I can just verify that the angle sizes, the roof color and the wood color are created. Since all of these values are created, I can proceed to creating a variant. So to start off creating a variant, just check on this box, has variant. Now click on set variant. Click on add item variant to start the process. Now you can see the plus button which you can click on to expand and look at all the user fields. You can even click on plus again to further expand it and look at all the sub values that you've created under a user field. So for example, in my case, let's say that I'm now trying to create a product which is 2x5 angle size and has ash gray charcoal as the roof color and crimson red and green as the wood color. So now it would basically create all the combinations based on 2x5 ash gray charcoal, crimson red and green. So to save this, click on OK. This would now create all these items in the respective fashion. So I have now seen all the variants created. I can quickly put a price tag to these. So for example, I'll be just putting down the sales price of these products. You could also choose to put a price later on. Click on OK now to save this. And finally, I'll just specify a sales price for the parent product and click on create. So this has now created my product along with its variant. So I'll navigate onto the cabinet section where I can find my product created, which is kitchen cabinet. To look at all the variants that I've created, I can just click on the show variants also tab. This would show me all the list of variants that I have created. I can now modify them and edit any other values that I have done. Any other basic fields that I would want to edit, I can do that. Please also ensure that you can see that every item field has a unique SKU. So every variant has a unique SKU attached to them. So all of these variants will then be managed separately in terms of stock and items. So this is how quickly we can now create variants in Althea Suite. Thank you for joining us.